I'm on a dark, rainy Thursday morning hike at Iroquois Park. I'm on the Boy Scout Bridge Trail. I've already crossed the bridge. I'm wandering around Summit Field. Haven't seen any deer yet. Seen a lot of blue jays, but they didn't seem to want to cooperate. I see a lot of small birds flying around, but they're staying pretty close to the ground. It's pretty foggy up here this morning. Doing my off-trail hiking now. Still raining a little bit. It's a misty rain. See my first deer of the morning. Looks like it could be a little buttonbuck. There it goes, running off. Didn't run far. It's right in front of me. There it goes. Yeah, that's a buttonbuck. I looked away and then I looked back and that little one was headed off in this direction 100 miles an hour. And I don't see it anymore. There's some more of that noise pollution. I hiked down there, didn't see anything at the bottom of the hill. Now I'm going to hike around the top of this hill. A big buck in front of me. It's taking off running. There it is. Didn't think I'd find it again. That's a big boy. He's not letting me get too close. Now he's taking off again. He came over here in this direction. I think I lost him. He could have run off in that direction, or he could have gone up this hill. I see him in the distance, way over there. Across this gully, I still see him moving around up there. I'm gonna cross the gully and try to catch up to him, but I probably won't have any luck. This is where he was, but I don't see him anywhere. But it's worth a try. I think he left this behind. There he is, way over there. Look at the rack on that boy. He's taking off running again. Crossing another gully, I guess. I didn't think I'd find him again, but he is staying way ahead of me. I'm gonna try to catch up to him one more time, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Yeah, he is over there. Where is he going? I just crossed that gully. Now will he still be up here? This is where he was. I don't see him anywhere. He could have run off in that direction, but I'm not going over there. I'm already backtracking. I give up. I'm going to head in the direction of my car now. But that was fun, trying to keep up with him. If those deer don't want me to catch up to them, I'm not going to catch up to them. They can run up and down these hills a lot faster than I can. During the rut, that same buck stood right in front of me and let me get all kind of good pictures and video of him. But this morning, he didn't want to have anything to do with me. He stayed way ahead of me. Now I'm back to where I was before I started backtracking, trying to catch up to that buck. When I do that, I don't always catch up to them, but I have fun trying. It definitely gives me a good workout. I decided to climb one more hill, then I'm gonna head to my car. I'm about as high as I'm going. I'm going to take this old overgrown trail back to my car. Most people don't even know this trail is here. There's a lot of trees down in this area. I smell a skunk, but I don't see it. That smell is getting stronger. Looking down the hill, I see a doe down there. There's one. I think there's another one down there. Yeah, there's the other one. Where's the other one? There it is. This one's taking off in this direction. See what this one does when I get closer. He's down there eating. There's the other one. I'm not going in that direction, but I am going in this direction. This one's staying close. It's waiting for the other one to catch up. But she's not coming in this direction. She's over there. Where is she? Lost her. Oh, there she is. I'm gonna leave these two alone. I'm gonna head back up to the trail. Trail's right up here. See another deer in front of me. Looks like another doe. She knows I'm here now. She just looked back at me. Now she's behind that tree. Now she's headed up that hill. And I'm headed to my car. I think that's the same doe roaming around up there. I'm getting close to my car. One last hill to climb. Now it's all downhill from here. I had another great hike at Iroquois Park. Almost to my car, and I looked over to my right, and there was a buck bedded down. This one's pretty close to Rundle Road. He's watching me. Said, "Keep on walking to your car, old man." I recognize this buck. I've seen him a lot here lately. He's chewing his cud. Well, he was chewing his cud. Now he's just staring at me. I don't want to bother him. He looks so peaceful. Bed it down. And I'm almost to my car. One last look. See this buck bedded down. And here's another deer bedded down. This one looks like a doe. This might be one of his girlfriends. I'm gonna leave them alone. There might be some more in that area. see Rundle Road down there. That was luck finding those two right at the end of my hike. You never know where they're gonna show up. I see the golf course parking lot and my car. Getting ready to cross Rundle Road. It's time for this old man to go home.